This is how to create a WhatsApp link that you can send to your customers and your clients. It is better to create a link instead of pasting your WhatsApp number in the public domain. So to do that, follow this account and share this to as many people in your contact, particularly those online vendors. So let's go and check it out.
So there are two ways to create a WhatsApp link. First, if you are using business WhatsApp, if you are using WhatsApp for business, you can create a link through that WhatsApp. But the only difference is that that particular link is a very long link. But for the general one that you do on a particular website, the link is so short. So let's create a link with our business WhatsApp. So what you do is you click on your business WhatsApp, you open it, then you click on this three-line dot, click on it, then you see business tool, you click on it. When you're in business tool, you do this again, click on this again, this three-line dot, click on it, you will see short link. So you just click on this short link, you will see your link. Here is the link. So you click on share link and you can now copy the link. Press copy and your link is ready. I've saved it to clipboard. So let me go and paste the link somewhere. Let me paste the link. So this is my WhatsApp link. This is only for people that are using business WhatsApp. You see that the link is very long. But for the general one, let's go and do that. For the general one, you go to your browser, you open it, then you search for create dot link. So you search for that, you go all the way down where you can now put your WhatsApp details. So this place you put your WhatsApp number, then this place you put your welcome message, and you can now generate link here. So let's work on that. So I will have to put my WhatsApp number, that's the international dialing code. I'm from Nigeria, that's why I have the Nigeria dialing code. So we'll now head over to the next stage, the custom message. So you can preview if you want, but if you don't want to preview, you just generate your link. So we are there. This is, you can copy your link. So let's copy our link and go and paste it. So we'll paste our link. But the important thing is that your number is not shown. Your number is hidden. But this second one is a very short link. So whenever you are doing business online or you want to display your WhatsApp, you want people to get to your WhatsApp, it's better you send them the link to your WhatsApp so that your number will kind of be encrypted. So let's try it. One of these links, let me use this second one that I've just generated. Let me open it again. So click on that link. So the link directed me right there into my message. So this is how you share your WhatsApp number without displaying your number. You send the link directly to your inbox, and your customer or your client can message you without really revealing your number. So if you get value for this online tutorial, you can give this video a like. You can also share it to the business owner or whosoever you feel can benefit from this. And most importantly, we help business owners to get their products and services to all the important people that needs to get them. So if you want to run ads for your business or for your brand, you can send a DM. See you again in another video like this.